I can live vicariously through people's nightlife, like their weekend, and I get paid for it. So it's like I'm actually partying with everybody else downtown on this downtown disco trolley, and I'm actually getting paid to do that, and I'm having fun along with it. This is not an alternative to people's nightlife, or this is only a complement to them. This only gets them to the next spot. It gives me a lot of good opportunities to interact with patrons outside in the nighttime, the evening shift, like up until 2 with all the bars and clubs. I almost feel like I'm a little disc jockey here, you know, like Monty's going on, and we're like, all right, I'm out here with the MC at the microphone, and it's fun. All right, downtown Phoenix, it's Friday night, Friday the 13th. Downtown Evening Express Trolley offers free rides all around in the lowdown in downtown nightlife, 30 minutes or less. Give us a wave and flag us down. Hop on and off as much as you like. It's free, it's the D, the Downtown Evening Express.